Sri Gurubhyo Namaha children. Today we are going to see arithmetic progression exercise 5.3. Okay, shall we see that? Yeah, see the first question. Find the sum of the following AP 2, 7, 12 etc. to 10 terms. Okay, we are going to find the sum of this AP. So we have a formula. We have a formula to find the sum of n terms. Sum of n terms is equal to, that is Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. We are going to use this formula to find this. Okay, so what is a in this? A is the first term. The first term is 2 and d is a common difference. Second term minus first term or third term minus second term, we will get the same one. Okay, so 7 minus 2 is equal to 5. Now I am going to substitute a, d, all those things in this. And what is given? Till 10 terms. So n is equal to 10. Okay, shall I substitute this? Yes, 10 is equal to 10 by 2 into, 2 into, what is a? 2 plus n is 10 minus 1 into d is 5. Okay, so 2 1s are 2, 2 5s are 10. So 5 into 2 2s are 4 plus 10 minus 1 is 9. 9 into 5. Okay, what is the next step? 5 into 4 plus 5 9s are 45. Okay, and I'll get 5 into 4 into 4 plus 45, 49. So 5 into 49 is 245. So S10 is equal to 245. So therefore, sum of 10 terms is equal to 245. Shall you see the sum? Yes. See what is given? 1 by 15, 1 by 12, 1 by 10 to 11 terms. Okay. See, we are going to use the same formula. A is first, what is that actually? A is 1 by 15 and D is second number minus first number, that is second term minus first term. Okay, so the LCM is 16. Okay, so when you find LCM for 12 and 15, we will get 16. So what I'll get here? 60 means 12. 5s are 60. So 5 minus 15 4s are 60 minus 4. So I'll get 1 by 60. So D is equal to 1 by 60. And how many terms they are given? Till 11 terms. So I'm going to take n is equal to 11. Now I'm going to use the formula. Sn is equal to n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Okay, shall we substitute? Yeah, tell me now. S11 is equal to 11 by 2 into 2 into, what is a? 1 by 15 plus, what is n? N is 11. So 11 minus 1 into d is 1 by 60. Then what is for next step? S11 is equal to 11 by 2 into, 2 by 15. 2 into 1, 2. 2 by 15 plus 10. 11 minus 1 is 10 into 1 by 60. 10 1s are 10 6 are. So I am getting 11 by 2 into 2 by 15 plus 1 by 6. Okay, when you take LCM for 15 and 6, what I'll get? I'll get 30. Okay, so we know that 15 2s are 30. So 2 into 2, 4 plus, okay, 6 5s are 30, 5 1s are 5. So 5. Okay, so now what is the next step? Let us add 4 and 5. Yeah, what we will get? 11 by 2 into 9 by 30. Okay, so cancel. You just cancel. Whether you can cancel? Yeah, we can cancel with 3 table. 3 3s are 9, 3 10s are 30. So what we are getting? 11 3s are 33, 2 10s are 20. So we are having that S 11 is equal to S11 is equal to 33 by 20. Do you understand this? Yes. Sum of n terms. How will you write? Sn is equal to n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Using this formula, we can find the sum. Okay. Shall we move to the next sum? Yeah, listen to the next sum, children. Next Roman. Find the sums given below. And here they didn't give as n, and the last term is given. So I'm going to find the sum, same thing. Okay, sum of these terms. How I'm going to find means, see the first term we know that a minus 1 and d is a common difference. So second term minus the first term, minus of minus plus 1. So I'll get minus 3. The last term is given as minus 230. Okay. So last term is given as minus 230. When last term is given, we can find the sum of n terms by using this formula. Sn is equal to n by 2 a plus l. We can use this formula. Okay. So what is Sn is equal to, okay, Sn is equal to, before finding n, we need to find n, no? Before finding Sn, we have to find n. We already know to find the n using the formula n is equal to L minus A by D plus 1. What is the last term we have in this place? Minus 230. Minus 230 plus, what is A? 5 by, what is D? Here we have D as minus 3 plus 1. Okay. Minus 230 plus 5 was minus 225 by minus 3 plus 1. Okay. Minus minus cancel. 3 1s are 3. 3 7s are 21. Remaining 1 15. So 3 5s are 15. So 75 plus 1, what we will get? 76. Now we know what is n. Okay. So we are going to apply this in this formula. What formula? Sn is equal to n by 2 a plus l. Shall we apply that and shall we find? Yes. Listen, children. So we can write S76 is equal to 76 by 2. What is A? A is 5 and we have L is minus 230. So minus 230. So what we will have? 76 by 2. When I cancel, I'll get 38. Right? So 76 divided by 2, I'll get 38. Minus 230 plus 5. That is 5 plus minus 230. We will get minus 225. So the answer I'll get S76 is equal to minus 8,930. Okay, when we multiply, you will get minus 8,930. Do you understand? When last term is given, we can use this formula. Sn is equal to n by 2 a plus l. So to find n, we know the formula already. N is equal to L minus a by d plus 1. So we have to find n first and then we can apply in this to find the sum of n terms when last term is given. Okay. Shall we move to the next one, children? Yes, listen. What is the next question given? In an AP, given A is equal to 5, D is equal to 3, AN is equal to 5, 50, find N and Sn. Shall we find this? Yes. Listen carefully now. Let us find that. Yeah. listen, we have to find n. So we know that an and l are same. Okay, so I can write n. We know the formula for finding n. N is equal to l minus a by d plus 1. So n is equal to, instead of l we can write an also, because an is the nth term of an AP. That is last term of an AP. So l and an are equal, same. So l we can write 50 minus a as 5 and d is given as 3 plus 1. So 50 minus 5 is 25 by 3. Sorry, 45 by 3. Okay. So 45 by 3 plus 1. And 3 ones are 3. 3 15s are 45. So n is equal to 15 plus 1 is 16. So we have found n. And next what we have to find? We have to find Sn. Shall we find Sn? Yes, using the formula what? We know L means we can find using n by 2 a plus into a plus L. Okay, we can use this formula. What is n actually? N is 16. So yes, 16 is equal to 16 by 2 into what is a? 5 plus what is L we have? 50. Yeah, 2 1s are, 2 8s are. So 8 into 50 plus 5, 55. So I'll get 414. So yes, 16, that is Sn, is 414. Do you understand this, children? Yes? Shall we move to the next one? Listen to this. What is the third Roman given to us? Given a is equal to A12 is equal to 37, D is equal to 3. Find A and S12. Shall we find that? Yeah, listen. How will we find? A12 means we can write this A12 as A plus 11D. You all know that. You all know that An is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. So A12 is equal to A plus n minus 1. That is 12 minus 1 is equal. 12 minus 1 is 11. So 11D I can write. So A12 is equal to A plus 11D. That is given. That is A12 is given as 37. So what is, we don't know A. So I am writing as it is. But we know D. So what is D here? 3. So instead of D I am writing 3. So A plus 11 into 3 is 33 is equal to 37. So I am going to write A is equal. What is our next step? A is equal to 37 minus 33 is 4. So A is equal to 4. Okay. So we found now A. Okay. We have to find S12. Okay. S12, that is Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Okay. So S12 is equal to 12 by 2 into 2 into what is a? 4 plus n minus 1 into d. That means 12 minus 1 into what is d? 3. Okay. So 2 1s are 2, 2 6 are 12. Okay, 6 into 8 plus 11 into 3. Okay, 6 into 8 plus 33. What is 8 plus 33? What we will have? So 8 plus 33 is 41. Okay, so 6 into 41 is 246. So we have found that S12 is equal to 246. Okay. Shall we do the next sum? Yes. Listen carefully. What is the next sum given here? D is equal to 5. S9 is equal to 75. Find A and A9. Okay. Shall we find? Yes. Listen carefully. Yes. Listen this. S9 is given 75, right? So Sn formula you all know that n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Here we have S9. So S9 is equal to, instead of n we are going to use 9. 9 by 2 into 2a plus 9 minus 1 into d is given here 5. Okay, so I am going to write 5 instead of d. So S9, what we know as S9, 75. So 75 is equal to 9 by 2 into 2a plus 8 into 5. Okay, so here 75, this division 2 becomes multiplication 2 and multiplication 9 becomes division 9, right? Is equal to 2a plus 8 5s are 40. Okay, so 75 into 2 is 150. Okay, or else you can cancel by 3 table also in this place. 3 3s are 9, 3 2s are 6. Okay, and 5 3s are 15, 3 5s are 15. So you are getting 25 into 2, 50 by 3 minus 40 is equal to 2a plus 40 becomes minus 40. Okay, so 50 minus 120 is 40 into 3, 120 by 3 is equal to 2a. So what is my next step? What is my next step? 50 minus 120 is what? 70. Minus 70 by 3 is equal to 2a. So minus 70 by 3, this multiplication 2 becomes division 2 is equal to a. Okay, so when I cancel, I'll get 2 1s are 2, 2 35s are 70. So a is equal to minus 35 by 3. Do you understand this? Yes, we have found a now. Now we have to find a9. We all know the formula a(n) is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. a9 is equal to what? A plus, that is a is what is given? Minus 35 by 3 plus 9 minus 1 into d is 5. Okay, so minus 35 by 3, okay, plus 9 minus 1 is 8. 8 5s are 40. So when I take LCM, what I'll get? What I'll get when I take LCM? Minus 35 plus 120 by 3. So I'll get 120 minus 35 is 85. 85 by 3. So a9 is equal to 85 by 3. So we have found a and a9 in this sum. Okay, shall we move to the next one? Yeah, listen to this. What is given here? A is equal to 8, an is equal to 62, Sn is equal to 210. We are supposed to find n and d. Shall you find this? Yes, listen. So, what are the things given? You just write. Sn is equal to n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d, right? Yeah. So Sn, that is 210 they have given. Okay, 210. We don't know n. Totally Sn only they have given n 210. So we are writing as it is. 2 into a is 8 plus n minus 1 into d. No. So instead of n we don't know anything. So we are writing as it is. And d also we don't know. I am writing as it is. 210 into 2 because division 2 becomes multiplication 2 when you go that side. Yes. So 210 into 2 is equal to n into 8 2s are 16 plus n minus 1 into d. Okay. 210 I can write 420 is equal to n into 16 plus n minus 1 into d. Okay, until this let us stop. And what is the next thing given to us? An is equal to 62. So an is equal to 62 is given, no? So I am going to write a plus n minus 1 into d is equal to 62. And we know that a is 8. So 8 plus n minus 1 into d is equal to 62. N minus 1 into d is equal to 62 minus 8. Okay. What is 62 minus 8 actually? What I'll get 62 minus 8? Yes, listen. 54, yes. So, n minus 1 into d is equal to 54. Okay. Now, I am going to substitute this n minus 1 into d is 54 in this. Okay. So, this is 1 if we take, this is 2 I take. I am going to substitute 2 in 1. What I'll get? 420 is equal to n into 16 plus, instead of n minus 1 into d, I can write 54. So I'm going to write 54. So 420 is equal to n into what I'll get? Yes, 70. Okay, so 420 by 70 is equal to n. Cancel. When I cancel, I am getting 6. So n is equal to 6. What are the things we have to find actually in this place, children? Can you tell me? What they asked us to find? N and D. Okay, we have found n. We are supposed to find D. Okay, I am going to find D in this place means I am going to write n minus 1 into D is equal to 54. Instead of n, I can write 6 minus 1 into D is equal to 54. 5D is equal to 54. So D is equal to 54 by 5. Okay. Shall we move to the next one, children? So we have found that n as well D. Okay. As well as D. Okay. We will go to the next one, children. Listen carefully. 10th sum. Listen to the 10th sum. What is given? L is equal to 28. S is equal to 144. And there are total 9 terms. Total 9 terms means what does it mean? N is equal to 9. And L is given as 28. And S is 144. We are supposed to find A. So I am going to use the formula Sn is equal to n by 2 A plus L. So Sn is equal to n by 2 A plus L. So Sn, what is given? 144 is equal to 9 by 2. And what is A? We don't know. We are going to suppose to find it. And L is 28. Okay. So 144 into 2 by 9 is equal to A plus 28. So what you will get? Shall we cancel this with the 3 table? 3 3s are 9. And here 3 4s are 12. Okay. And then 24 means 3 8s are 24. Okay. So again we can cancel in 3 table. 3 1s are 3. 3 6 are 18. So 16 2s are 32. 32 minus 28 is equal to A. So what you will get? 4. So A is equal to 4. They asked us to find A. We have found. Okay. Do you have any doubt in this, children? Yes. Do you understand? See, in this sum we can use, instead of this formula, Sn is equal to n by 2 A plus L also. Because instead of An, we can take L. So if you use that, it will be easy. You can use that formula also in this place. Okay. Yeah. Thank you, children. Do you understand? I hope you all understood. Okay. Thank you.